In a vast, icy tundra lived a noble polar bear named Arcturus. A bear of great wisdom and strength, he ruled over his icy domain with kindness and grace. One day, a great storm ravaged the tundra, melting the ice and flooding his kingdom. Arcturus, seeing his home being swallowed by the sea, was filled with despair. In the midst of the chaos, a small, calm voice spoke to him, "Do not despair, Arcturus. The storm will pass, and a new beginning awaits." Arcturus pondered the voice's words. He remembered the stories of the ancients, tales of polar bears migrating to new lands when their homes were lost. He chose to follow the voice, setting out on a perilous journey. The journey was long and arduous, but Arcturus never faltered. He swam through the cold, dark waters, faced the biting winds, and climbed steep, rocky cliffs. He was tested, but he persevered. Finally, after many days and nights, he arrived at a land unlike any he had ever seen. It was lush and green, filled with rivers and forests. He had found a new home. Arcturus realized then that the storm was not the end, but the beginning of a new chapter. He built a new kingdom in his new home, teaching the other animals the lessons he had learned. The tale of Arcturus serves as a reminder to us all. In times of adversity, we must not despair. Instead, we must look for the new beginnings that await us, and with courage and determination, we too can find a new home.